Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this short video we're just going to show you the vehicle coverage for DPF regeneration on Peugeot vehicles. So if you have a Peugeot vehicle that you're needing to do maybe a DPF regeneration on, then this tool may well help you out. It is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put the link to this kit in the description below this video. It is called the Autel MK808. It's a tablet based diagnostic package. So from the main menu here we just need to click on to Service, to click on to DPF, and we'll select Peugeot from the menu. We're not actually plugged into a vehicle at the moment. I'm just simply showing you the vehicle coverage that it will carry out DPF on if your car is, obviously it has to be a diesel first of all. So we've got quite a range here. We've got 208, 2008, 206, 07, 208, 3008, 301, 306, 307. It's not going to, obviously some of these aren't going to cover DPF on, but if your vehicle is listed here then and it does have the DPF installed, then it will do the DPF for that car. 308, 47, 4008, 406, 47, 408, 5008, 508, 607, 807, Bipper, Boxer, Expert, Hogger, Partner and RCZ. And that is quite an extensive list. But obviously if you do have any of these vehicles and you do need to do DPF regeneration, then it just shows you that the Maxicom MK808 will cover this function for those vehicles. Now, as I say, if you are interested in this kit, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link, as I say, to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps.